another vlog. This is going to be our first full day here in Osaka, Japan. Nakatulog kami ng bongga. Perfect yung tulog namin. Pero yung sakit ng ulo ko, andyan pa rin. Migraine is real. Nawawala yung lip tint ko. Hindi ko alam saan ko na ilagay. Hanapin ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan nalagay. Tignan yung makeup ni Nicole. Ang dami-dami, B. Parang siyang parang ginala niya na yung buong anik-anik niya sa travel na to. Ito na lang gamitin ko yung Maybelline. Magbe-breakfast lang kami sa baba. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung plan. Sasabihin ko na lang sa inyo mamaya. Kasi kami yung mga tipong nagbabakasyon or nagta-travel na walang plan. Kumbaga, pupunta ka ng ibang lugar, tapos i-figure out mo na lang kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. So, I think today will be, I think lang ha, hindi ko pa alam. Pupunta kami sa, maglalakad-lakad kami around downtown dito sa Osaka. And then, I don't know if we will go to Don Quixote today. Hindi ko pa alam yan. Next will be, baka pumunta kami sa mga, yung thrift shop, parang ganun. Hindi ko pa rin alam yan, hindi pa yan sigurado. O diba, gulo-gulo. Hindi natin alam yung gagawin natin today. But, easy lang. Mapupunta natin yung pwede natin puntahan. Basta relax lang. Alam niyo yun, hindi tayo yung nagmamadali, ganyan. Kahit ilang araw lang kami dito. Pero nakaplan yung Kyoto tomorrow, not today. Kasi diba, dumating kami kahapon. And then talagang hindi ko nga alam kung napanood niyo yung vlog ko kahapon, bago to, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung mga pinagagawa ko sa vlog. Kasi pag talagang nagbabiyahe ka, parang hindi mo magawa ng tama yung vlog. Parang siya kasi may bit-bit kang luggage, ganyan. Hindi talaga. Tapos jet lag ka pa, walang tulog. So, sobrang pagod ka kahapon. 10 hours flight and then plus 1 hour train ride papunta dito sa mismong down, dito sa hotel. And then, kumain kami. Hindi na nga kami nag-ikot-ikot ng bongga kasi talagang tatlo kaming parang babagsak na talaga kagabi. Nakauwi kami dito sa hotel ng mga around 8:30 yata ng gabi. Tapos nakatulog kami ng mga around 10. Kasi kailangan namin yung parang irregular namin yung aming katawan. Kasi kung hindi, kami, parang masisira yung araw namin everyday dahil sa jet lag. So, yung mga kaganapan kahapon. But today, let's try our best to vlog more. And samahan nyo kami sa walang plan na ganap. Lagay lang ako ng lip tint para may kulay yung lips ko. Good morning, Nicole. Look at your hair. Nice. Pretty. Hindi siya naka-makeup. Oo. You don't need always makeup, Nicole. You're beautiful without it.
This is real Japanese coffee.
Real Japanese coffee. What are you getting, love? Coffee latte?
Cafe latte.
Yeah. And we have fresh juices here. And tingnan yung...
No cups.
Look
Look at this.
Just
Apple
fine.
vinegar.
Oh. Maybe it's apple cider vinegar. Oh, that one is good. And, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung dito, breakfast. They have a lot of good fruits. Kuha ka na ng plate mo, be. Pancake, Nicole, oh. This one's really good. Look at your plate and then we will walk around and check. Bread. Yummy. Marami pa dito. Tingnan natin yung nila. Oh, wow. Looks good. What is that, Nicole? Oh, it's eggs. Kimchi. Oh, this one's really good, Nicole. Oh, steak. Wow. Yan yung mga breakfast nila. Kuha lang kami ng food namin. And then, kain tayo. Kain, mga kalanaws. I got miso soup as well. With so many vegetables. What is it, love? Nasa labas na tayo, mga kalalabs. At tignan nyo, walang masyadong tao. It's already 9:10 a.m. Dito kami kagabi. Paggabi, sobrang daming tao. Pero ngayon, hindi pa masyado kasi maaga pa. Sarado pa yung mga shop. So, yung pupuntahan natin is, I think, Bab, where are we going?
Great.
No, where are we going? Like, we're going to that market?
Yeah.
The seafood market, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That looks like basics.
Oh, yeah. Seafood market muna kami kasi yun yung open ng 9. Yung mga shop open, mga shopping center open at around 11 a.m. Nakabili kami ng electric fan ni Nicolette. Bibili sana kami dalawa pero isa lang, share na lang kami. And then, we are checking something else. What are we checking, love?
Girls know.
It's a coffee beans?
You put it in your shake, like in your water and your milk.
Oh, okay. Wow. Green beans parlor. And then, lalakad tayo dyan. Itatry natin kung may matatry tayong food. Kaso nga alam, busog pa kami.
Place we went.
Yeah. Look at this one. Yeah. Kuromon set. Let's walk around and check stuff. Oh.
Okay, it's open.
It's open. Look at that. Oh my. Looking good. Sarap naman yan.
Wait,
Kala mo ano oh, totoo, pero fake yan.
What?
Ang galing
Try
no?
whatever you want.
Wow. What is that? What is that? Sweet soy sauce dumpling?
If you'd like.
Yeah. Let's try. Let's try.
I see. You want your thing, right?
Niloloko ni Papa Dave yung ano, lalaki kasi para siya kasing totoo. Tingnan niyo to oh. Akala mo totoo. Can I touch this one? Sample lang pala yan. Fake yan. Akala mo totoo. No? So we will try this one. Na-try natin siya. Wow. Tingnan niyo oh, nakaka-amaze yung mga ano nila display. Parang gusto mo na lang siyang bilhin tapos display mo din sa bahay. This looks so real. Tingnan niyo oh. Looks so real. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it is real.
Tingnan niyo din tong vending machine nila oh. Kala mo totoo. Pero pag mag-ano ka, pipindutin mo lang yan and then you will pay here. So nag-accept sila ng coins yata. O yan, coins tsaka bills. Pero wala kaming ano, as what I said earlier. Wala kaming cash. Nakaka-amaze yung mga display nila dito. It looks so real. Okay, let's try our first food here in this market. Kuromo, what? Kuromo market? Let's try, Nico. Let's show them. How is it?
I like it.
You like it? One for you, one for me? Or one, do you want to try it out? Yeah?
It's
Okay.
like
Yeah.
soy sauce.
Okay, let's try.
Caramelized soy sauce. I like it. It's like savory and sweet.
Yeah. Mochi.
Very sweet though.
Very sweet. It's really good.
So where's the what?
It's good. Our first bite. And then, may electric fan pa kami. Seafood naman. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Looks so good. Tingnan mo yung oyster bee, oh. Looks so good.
Look at these.
Oh, look, babe, oh. $3.50 for one? Wow.
It's a good deal, actually.
Yeah. Na-enjoy namin yung first namin, pagkain na tinry dito. And then, nandito kami sa market, seafood market. What is that? Ano? Squid? Ang dami, ang sasarap na mga seafood. Ang dami. Oh my God. Wow, looks so good.
I would like to come here for lunch tomorrow and have
Yeah.
that. That's a very high compared to home. Very
Yes.
different,
Oh
right?
my God. $19.
$19.
Yeah,
That's
$18.
Canadian dollars too.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, that's even cheaper. Look at that. That's a nice.
Wow.
Cheaper than going to a restaurant.
Oh my gosh, looks so good. We can even buy one later or maybe. Bumili kami ni Papa Dave ng sushi. Pero hindi namin alam kung saan namin siya kakainin. Oh yeah, there! So let's try our first sushi in Japan. Magta-try pa sana kami ng ibang food. Kaso nga lang, busog pa as.
Okay,
Let's try this
some
sushi.
street eats.
Let's go, let's
Me,
try.
you, and Nicole.
You wanna try, Nicole?
Did you just say hi, Nicole?
You wanna try? Sushi?
I remember eating sashimi once and then I threw up. Remember that?
Yeah, but you were a baby.
You're a baby.
Now you got more of a refined taste.
Okay, let's try this. Ta-da! The first sushi.
I think Papa Dave's really excited.
Yeah, Papa Dave is really excited.
Look at this, fatty tuna. Mmm.
It's good? Okay. I never liked this kind of sushi, but let's try. But what is this, love? You don't need to put soy sauce?
No.
Okay,
Unless you want.
let's try. Mmm.
You know, I want them to try chicken sashimi and they won't try it.
No. That's like straight up salmon. It's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
The rice is sweet.
It's so good. Anong tawag doon? Sagoy? Sagoy.
Mm.
That's
Sugoi
the
means
shrimp.
good.
Maybe you can
So this is
allow-
shrimp?
Eat the peel.
Yeah.
Then, with the lemon.
With the lemon?
With the lemon.
Mmm.
What is this one, love? It's good?
With the lemon.
Eat it with the peel and everything. Just don't eat the tail. Say it backwards.
Oh no. Oh
Use
no.
your hand.
Oh no. You dropped the egg.
Use your fingers. No, no.
Okay.
Yep.
This.
Whole thing. Isn't it great with the lemon? Mm-hmm. Mm.
Refreshing.
So go ahead, boy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. This one, it's called fish.
This one is called eggs. There, wait, what is it?
Fish egg.
Fish egg. Oh wow, that's so sweet. Gusto namin itry ni Nicole yung anong tawag dun sa crab eh?
King crab leg.
King crab legs. Kaso nga lang,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow I guess?
If we find something like cheaper than like the prices
No
here,
such thing as cheaper when it's king crab.
fine.
King crab is expensive. That's it.
True.
We only want the leg one. And then the price is around $50. But the whole thing mga kalabs, yung malaking
Mm.
pinapakita ni Ivana Alawi na gano'n, ay ang mahal nun. Worth like, hindi ko alam kung magkano sa peso yon pero it says like, maybe around 450 Canadian dollars, something like that. Yung the whole thing, it's very expensive.
Mm-hmm.
What? Cucumber?
Mm-hmm.
Scared me. Okay, let's try this last one. I don't like this one, babe.
You do
Can I
like it.
have
You
this?
just don't even know.
I don't like that.
You don't
Can I-
know that you don't like it.
Can I have this one? Okay, cheers. Grab it and cheers.
That one's a bit chewy.
Oh,
'Cause
no, I don't like that then.
They like the
This one
texture.
na lang.
It pops in your mouth. It's beautiful.
Oops! Wait lang.
Each egg is like an explosion
Yeah.
of beautiful flavor.
Kain ulit. So, tapos na kaming nag-explore dyan sa Kurumon Market. Let's go to Don Quixote. Shopping time. Let's go shopping, Nicole. Are you ready? Are you ready to spend your money?
Yes.
Parang ang daming pera. Are you ready to spend your money? Kunti lang naman yung bibilihin namin. Meron kasi nag-message sa akin. Sabi niya, you should buy this one, try this one. So sabi ko, ay gusto ko i-try yan lahat. Para kahit pa paano may mabili tayo, hindi dito naman na tayo sa Japan, di ba? Hindi gaano kamahal, yung sakto lang. Ang swerte naman ni Nicole, meron siya electric fan. Sobrang init. Pero ang cloudy ngayon, not too sunny, it's not that bad. Pero pa rin siya, mainit pa rin.
Nice one has the clouds, huh?
I know. Don Quixote.
Oh, it's a bike lane.
We are ready to spend money. Charot lang. Joke, joke, joke. Okay, Nicole's getting something. They said this one is better, Nicole.
Where's the
Is this the
M&M?
honey?
Yeah. Where's the M&M?
Ayan 30. Let's check.
30?
I don't know how many ml is this. Didn't see anything. Maybe let's ask
Oh,
Papa.
100 ml.
Okay, great.
Exact.
Yeah.
So is the pink one better or the yellow one?
I have no idea. There's a lot of things here. Like there's also this one is a deep moist hair. Ano to? Hindi ko alam.
Papa Dave, this is 100 ml. This is 100 ml.
Nice.
This one Fino, maganda rin. But we're not buying that. Marami ako nito sa bahay eh. At saka yan. Just one.
This is 75.
Yeah. I think that one is better yung nakabote. Yeah. This is ito yung SPF. Grabe. Maganda daw to ito. Spray lang siya. Bior. Magkano yung price? It's $7.99 plus tax. Pero syempre may passport tayo so hindi natin babayaran yung tax. Maghihintay lang si Papa Dave. Love,
Oh,
are you going to buy something?
probably, yeah.
Grabe, ang daming pwedeng bilhin dito na pampaganda. Sinusundan lang namin si Nicole kasi si Nicole yung mag-shopping. Wow. Gusto kong bumili ng lip tint kasi yung ginagamit ko nagda-dry yung lips ko. Let's try something else. Like yung magandang brand. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Nasa first floor pa lang kami. Ha? Oh. Oh, ang daming pwedeng bilhin.
That's fun. It's like a cat, but it's not.
Yeah, it's makeup, eyeshadow.
Candy.
Oh, okay. Maybe here. Let's try to find something. No, not that one. Meron silang Revlon dito. But you don't buy Revlon. May Revlon sa Canada eh. So dahil sobrang init dito sa Japan, ito yung madalas nilang ginagamit. May nakalagay na cool. Ito yung price niya, 300 yen.
They say this one's good, but I don't know what it is.
What is that? If you don't know what it is, Nicole, why you're
It's
buying it?
either lotion or...
You don't buy something you don't know, girl. I know, but you don't know. You don't know
Oh,
what
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
kind of sucks compared to here.
Ano tong mga to, no? Yan yung problema dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano tong mga to. Ah, okay. Nakalagay naman. Para sa mukha.
Oh, by the way, another thing. What? Look.
I want to get
Japan.
Which one, Nicole? That one? Yeah, you can, girl. Yeah.
this. Can I get this?
Yeah, sure.
How much is $3.49?
$3.49.
For the whole pack?
Yeah.
About $3.
Oh my god, look at this one too. I wanna try this one. Almond and then what is this? Macadamia. Wow. Looks good. Diba? Try natin yan. Tag-isa. Yay! There.
$1.
Masarap daw din to. Try natin. Eto. Masarap daw to eh. Let's get some. Gusto ko yan. Dalawa lang. Oh, nasa luxury stuff na tayo. Louis Vuitton. Wow, look at that. I know, right? Still expensive. Oh, yun yung yung 210,000. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is a luxury stuff. Oh, tingnan yung mga price, oh. LV. Parang lahat LV. May Gucci din sila. 102,000 yen. 102,000 yen. Ito pa Gucci. 62,000. 75,000 yung... Yes. What is it? Pancliff? Jewelry? No.
$4,000 on it.
No.
Yeah.
It's real though.
It is real,
look at my
but...
Hermes
Yeah, I know.
bracelet.
Here, let's check here. Ang mga price. Oh. Ah, yung earrings. 19,900.
Vivian Westwood?
I don't know what kind of
It's
brand
Vivian
yan.
Westwood. How much
I don't know the brand.
Vivian Westwood is like
89. 89? Baka 890. 890 Canadian dollars.
oh, they don't have like the
Oh, meron pala silang MK dito, oh. MK, Michael Kors. Nakalock talaga sila, oh. Nakalock yung mga bag. Nakalock yung mga bag, be. You cannot even try it.
The whole time I didn't realize.
Bili tayo ng salompas. So, instead na malalaki yung ano niya, yung parang malalaki yung regular na salompas, ito yung ito lang, maliit lang na bilog. So, bili ako nito, dalawa. Grabe, sa sobrang daming pwedeng bilhin dito, gusto mo bilhin mo na lahat. Pero syempre, hindi natin mabibili lahat. Oh! What happened? Oh
Time to
no!
go home.
Oh, let's go home. This is
This
the last. Where? We need to pay.
Downstairs.
Oh, downstairs? Okay.
this is the last level?
Ang binili ko lang yung yung mga
Don't
recommendation.
throw the trash in the store.
So, hindi na ako bumili ng kahit na ano pa. Yung recommendation lang na na sinabi sa akin yung mga binili ko. Actually, hindi pa ako nakabili ng Bior na SPF. So, I think we should get one. Kahit isa lang. Kasi dito na rin lang tayo sa Japan, di ba? Why not? Yung mga luxury pala nila na mga bags, mahal pa rin pala. Kahit na I think, second hand yun, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, kasi hindi ko alam kung second hand pa siya or what. Mahal pa rin siya. Nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel, mga kalalas. Ito yung nabili natin sa Don Quixote. Dalawang bag siya. And ito, gusto ko siyang itry. Ayan siya. Masarap daw ito eh. Meron siyang almond and cheese. Cheese crackers ba yan? And i-haul ko na lang to pag naka-uwi na tayo sa sa Canada. Ayan yung ating mga nabili na gustong i-try. Magpapahinga lang kami ng slide. And then, lalabas ulit kami actually. Pupunta kami sa may, saan ba kami pupunta? Sa may Alahas area naman tayo. Titingin-tingin lang. As you can see, ang binili lang talaga namin is yung mga pagkain, chocolates, mga candies, mga ganyan, tsaka skincare. Pero yung itong sa may Alhasan, pupunta lang tayo doon para mag-window shopping. And titingin-tingin din. Malay nyo, may mabili ako na earrings. Kasi yung earrings ko is ganyan siya, oh. Ito lang, matagal na sa akin to. Ilang taon na. Pero kung may mabili akong mura na magugustuhan ko, din bibili ako. Pero kung hindi naman din, wag na. Ito na lang muna tayo. Itong ating gamit na earrings. Sobrang init. Buti na lang, merong si Nicole, meron siyang yung electric fan. Pero ako kasi wala. So pag naglalakad ka talaga sa sa street, malapit dito sa amin, punta sa Don Quixote. Kaharap lang namin yung Don Quixote. So, sobrang accessible lahat ng mga gusto mong puntahan, malapit dito sa hotel. Sobrang nakakatuwa lang kasi, hindi malayo yung mga pinupuntahan namin. Kasi sa Thailand, di ba, parang malayo. Pag may pupuntahan kami mga lugar, medyo malayo yung mga yun. Dito naman is more on like malapit lang talaga. So, ang malayong pupuntahan natin will be tomorrow. We are going to Nara and then Kyoto. Yun yung mga magti-take tayo ng SkyTrain. Maaga kami tomorrow para hindi tayo masyadong maabutan ng sobrang init. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong oras. So, dahil yung aking mga napamili, hindi siya pwedeng buksan dito sa Japan. Mabubuksan mo lang siya pag alis mo ng Japan kasi tax-free siya. Pag binuksan mo siya, masasayang yung hindi na siya magiging tax-free kasi binuksan mo na siya. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero yun yung sinabi sa amin doon sa cashier. So, don't open it until you left Japan. So, yung nagastos natin dito is 15,653 yen. And equivalent yan ng sa sa Canadian dollars will be, meron akong calculator dito. 15,653 will be $146.45. Magkano yan sa sa peso? Try natin dito. Ay, try ng base. Magkano ba yun? Siguro mga yan less than 6,000 or more than 6,000. 146 146.45 times 41. Ayan, 6,000 siya. 6,000. O, diba? Tama yung calculation ko. 6,000 pesos yung nagastos natin. Yun sa ating pa-shopping. Hindi kami masyadong bumili dito sa Japan ng mga anik-anik pa kasi pupunta pa kami ng Korea. And for sure, may mabibili ulit kami doon. Especially mga skincare. Kasi ang Korea, maganda yung mga skincare nila. So dito, yung mga chichirya or mga chocolate lang. At konting skincare. Okay, pahinga lang kami ng mga around 15 minutes and then we will go out again. Nasa labas na ulit kami. Nagtitingin-tingin lang ng mga dito yung mga bags. Ayan. Convert niyo na lang yung mga price. Parang hindi talaga ako fan ng ng LB. Kasi yung niya, yung logo, sobrang sumisigaw talaga siya. Forla bag. Meron silang Forla bag dito. 10,000 na sa lang siya. Magkano yun? 10,000? 10,780 around 100 plus. 10,000 it says. 10,000. Yeah.
So 1,000 is $10. So
This is
100, okay.
yeah.
That's good.
That's 100, right? That's a Prada bag. Prada. Oh, look at this mini bag. Ito yung mga price niya, no, mga kalalas. Check nyo na lang. Huh? Oh, maybe it's a mix of Versace and Milan. Gucci. Wala, tingin-tingin lang tayo. Ayan yung mga nila. Kasi 'di ba, pag may mga pupunta nagta-travel dito, ang pinupuntahan nila yung mga ganito. Mga luxury stuff. Rolex ba yan? Ala, ganyan yung presyo niya, oh.
Right? And those links are closer?
Wow.
Because if they're closer, they're heavier. And they're heavier, they're worth more, right?
How
Look
much
at
is
my
that,
links.
love? Yeah, how much is that, love? It's Japanese.
$1,500.
Yeah, this is Japanese, what do you call this?
Oh, there we go. I like this. I would love that.
Wow, that's
But
a
that's
lot.
Cuban
$3,500.
link?
Oh my gosh.
You like it?
Tingnan
Or
nyo.
is that too much for me? Compared.
It's too much. It's too big, too thick.
Too thick?
Yeah,
That's nice.
but this one's maybe. But this one's too thick for
Can you
you.
buy one?
Oh, how much is that one, love? 177,000, 1,000.
So $1,700.
Oh, okay.
Can you buy me one?
No, I can't.
This
No.
one. That one.
No, it's too much. Yan yung alahas. Relo. Cartier. Wow. Grabe, ang daming magandang pwedeng bilhin. Pero mahal pa rin siya, ha? Still expensive. But, I don't know if it's half
Do you
price.
remember when I bought my watch,
Yeah,
right? And I
and
bought it for
then-
like $4,500, and then I found it was worth $9,900.
Yeah, it's better.
US, right?
Actually, it's better.
So they're
Yeah.
actually very good prices.
Mga bag. Wow. Mga relo dito. Let's try this one. Looks so good.
It's got a bell.
I know, right?
You know what the bell does?
Wow. It's
Should buy
line
one
up
for
though,
everybody.
Nicole. It's line up. You wanna line up?
No,
There,
maybe
oh.
later.
Later will be
'Cause
line
I'm
up as
trying to
well.
find this t-shirt that I really want.
Wow, it's line up. It's a long line up.
It's made out of corn and chicken.
What is that? Wow,
Can I get
looks
this
good. Okay, I don't know. It's up to you.
It's made out of corn and chicken.
No, I don't want that.
Okay.
Nasa Family Mart lang kami, mga kalalas. Bili lang kami ng snack. Pila yung pinuntahan namin kanina. Ayaw nila maghintay. So, Family Mart na lang.
Can I get this liver juice?
You can try it, babe, if you want. So, back to our hotel ulit, mga kalalab. Saglit lang kami sa labas. Walay, ang sakit sa balat yung yung hangin ng araw, ay hangin ng araw. Yung, basta ang init, no, be? Yung parang yung, niya, yung masakit sa balat. Parang merong daladalang hair blower. So, nakabili ako nitong Pablo Mini Tart. Try natin. Let's try it if it's good. Pumila lang ako, buti na lang hindi masyadong mahaba. Kasi punta kami ng Family Mart. Akala na, kasi ang haba kanina eh. Tapos nung sabi ko, tara na sa hotel. Kasi sobrang init. Di natin carry bells ang ano. Maglakad-lakad under the sun. Sabi ni Papa Dip, okay. But then, nadaanan ulit namin siya. And wala siyang masyadong pila. So, bumili ako. Tatlo, tagi-isa kami. And try natin ng cheese tart. Ayan, kain po. It's good. Pahinga lang kami. And then mamaya lalabas ulit kami mga around 5:45 kasi meron kami reservation. Kakain tayo ng beef, Kobe beef daw. Sabi ni Papa Dib, special daw yun kasi sobrang sarap daw. So, let's see. First time natin makatry ng Kobe beef. So, yun yung ating pagganap mamayang gabi. And then, we will go to the American Street daw. I-charge ko tong camera ko kasi palobat na rin siya. Anyway, I'll be ending the vlog na here, mga kalalabs. Puputulin ko yung vlog natin. So, mamaya, i-continue ko na lang. So, panoorin nyo na lang yung susunod na vlog mamaya. So, maraming salamat po ulit sa panonood. See you on our next vlog, mga kalalabs. Bye-bye!